In this video, you will learn how to create a patient record and monitor test results. To start, click on New Patient in the main menu. You need to assign a doctor for the patient. Complete the patient's basic demographic information. The date of birth can be manually typed, or you can use the calendar feature. Other items to add include gender, ethnicity, and any ID number your office may use. Then click Done, and the system automatically takes you to start a new test. These other customizations for the test will vary depending upon the test being ordered, and often include items such as skipping the tutorial or using subtitles for hearing-impaired patients. Please reference the technical testing guide for full instructions. Once the correct items are selected, click Done to begin the test. You will notice a test monitoring screen pops up. At the top left is your basic patient demographic information. The last registered amount of the device's battery life is displayed. This may not be the current battery level. Check inside the headset to confirm this. There is a Cancel Test button to the left. Once the test starts, there will be 3 lines to the right of the battery indicator that allow you to stream the images in the headset on your device. Each test offered will display a slightly different monitoring screen. Here, the squares on the left represent the stimuli shown. The middle boxes show the % of testing completed, and the far right shows the right and left eye's false positives, false negatives, and fixation losses. You may click on the X at the top right to close the monitoring window. It will not close or cancel the test. The previous screen for the patient shows now, and note that it says Using and Started. You may click Monitor to open the monitoring window again. Progress tests can also be viewed from the home screen. Occasionally, you might need to cancel a test. Please click Cancel and Yes to end any current test. When the need arises to run multiple tests consecutively on the same patient, you can build a test bundle. To start, click Test Bundles, then New Bundle. You will create the first test, just like a regular standalone test, by clicking Strategy, Protocol, Language, and any other options needed. Then click Next if you want to add another test, and click Yes. This will open test number 2. Continue selecting test type, strategy, and other customization options for this test. Again, click Yes to add another test to the bundle or No to finalize. Once you click No, submit the bundle, and the monitoring screen will open at the top left. You will notice it shares what test is currently being given, as well as that it is test 1 out of 3. This helps the operator know what test is done and about the time needed to finish. Again, you may cancel if the need arises. Please note, the test can be viewed from the home screen to ensure you know if a device is in use. Now, to view previous tests and reports, you can hover over a patient's name or swipe left, then click Show Tests. The previous test a patient has taken will display. Find the test that you need to see the report for. Please note, you can delete, view the report, convert to DICOM, download a PDF or a PNG image. This example shows a comprehensive C-suite exam where multiple tests are run and displayed in one report. This patient had an acuity test, color, EOM, visual fields, and pupillometry done. On the top right, you see duration. That is the time it took for the patient to complete all of the tests. Each patient will complete tests in various time lengths, so no 2 will likely be the same. At the top left, you will see icons that allow you to print, download a PDF, convert to DICOM, or download an image of the report.